All are enjoying by doing your work, children. I hope you are all studying well. Okay, let's continue with our class. Yes, today the letter is L. L says L. Okay, L says L. Can you see? Yes. So you can see the picture and the words also, children. Okay. First, L says lollipop. Okay. See here, lollipop. What is lollipop, children? Do you know what is lollipop? Yes, you all will know. Right? Lollipop is a chocolate. It's a candy. You all love holding a stick. Hmm? You all love to eat lollipop, right? Yes. So lollipop means it's a sugar candy. It will be a like a candy. Okay, you will chew that. Okay, with to have the small stick. It will be hard in the upper part. Okay, you will lick and eat that. Okay, and you can get lollipop in many flavors, children, and with different shapes also. Now it has come in different shapes and different flavors. You have many flavors: chocolate flavor, orange, mango, strawberry. Okay, like that you have many kinds of lollipops. And now you can see even the bubble gum inside that. Okay, so I know you all love to eat lollipop. So next one, it is, children, leaf. What is leaf? You can see in the plants. Okay, every plant will have the leaf. Next one, it is a lamp, children. What does a lamp do? It gives us light and heat also. Okay, so the lamp gives us light. Okay, you can use, it can be the many types of lamps are there. Mud one, the steel, silver, okay, bronze. You use oil and you will light the lamp. Okay, so now you came to know what is lollipop, what is leaf, and what is lamp. Shall we move on to coloring, children, now? Yes, hope you all love coloring, right? Yes. So, shall we start coloring? Come, children. First, this is yellow. We'll color this, okay, like this. Okay. From here, go up and color like this, children. Okay. Now, this is a cursive letter L. You're going to color like this. Shall we continue coloring the rest of the letters? Yes. Now you can see here, children, the letter L is looking colorful. In the same way, let's move on to the next. That is lollipop. Shall we color the lollipop? Yes. Okay. See here. L O L L Y P O P. Lollipop. Okay, continue coloring. Can you see? Yes. Now we shall move on to color the lollipop, children. From inside we'll start like this. We are going to color the lollipop. Even the lollipop was also looking colorful now. Right? Yes. See? Yes? Yes. Next we'll move on to the leaf. We are going to color the leaf, children. Okay. See here. First, from inside we'll start coloring. Hope you can see. Okay. Like this. You can color. Right? Yes. From here you can color. Okay. We shall write leaf. Yes. L E A F. Leaf. Right. Continue. Okay. Yes. You can see the picture of the leaf and the word leaf is looking colorful. Next, move on to the next word, that is lamp. Okay. Write down the letter lamp. L A M P. Lamp. Continue. Yes. See. Next, we shall color the lamp, children. Okay. See there. Color the lamp like this. Okay. See here. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Again here also. Color the lamp. Okay. So now the whole page is looking colorful, children. Right? Yes. Children, I hope you have completed this page, the page number 30. Last week I have given the work, right? My name is. I hope you have written your name and I am dash years in. I hope you have written your age. Children, today again you will move on to the 31 page. Here they have given, see here, I live in dash. Okay, you have to write place name, where your place. If you are in Virajpet, in there you have to write your place name. If you are here somewhere in Kadnur or in Bitangala, like that, you will write your place name, children. Okay. Here you are going to complete that. I live in dash. Okay. Next, I go to dash school. Which school you are going? You are going to Kaveri school. Here you are going to write Kaveri. Okay, I go to Kaveri school. Okay, and after that, children, you have to color this picture. You can see one boy is going to school with his uniform and the school bag. You have to color this picture. Yes, hope you will do. Okay, yes, children. Children, moving on to the writing part, children. In the previous class, you have studied about the articles. In the articles, you have studied the, which article you have studied, children? You have studied a and an. That is a indefinite article, right? Yes. So today in the same articles, you are going to learn the definite article, children. The definite article is the. Okay? The, T-H-E, the is the definite article, and a and an are the indefinite article. Okay, so let me tell you when you will use the word the. Okay, the is used when we are specific in one thing. See, when you use, see, you can use both in for vowels and consonant words, you can use the, but it should be on the some specific thing. Now you see, if you have a pencil, you have a pencil here, right? You will say this is a pencil. Okay. See, when it is given by someone like your mom, you will say this is my favorite pencil. Why? Because my mom presented me. Okay, so you say this, the. Okay, so the is used when we are specific in one thing. When you are specific, when you are sure about the thing. See here, example, the moon. You know, when you see the sky, you know that is the moon. That is moon. So you will say the moon. Even when you see the sun, you won't say see a sun or an sun. No, right? You will say the sun. Next one example, children. Eating meat gives you protein. That it's a common word we say. Eating meat will gives us the protein. Okay. See, and one more proverb is like, an apple a day keeps doctor away. It is a common. Okay, so when doctor specifies that you have to have the apple, okay, because he is specifying the apple, so you use the. Okay, see, eating meat gives you protein. It is a common thing. So when you specify, you will specify there the meat. You are specifying it can be chicken, mutton, pork or something. Okay, so you are specifying the meat at the market may not be fresh. You are specifying the meat. So you use the because you are specific in one thing, that is in the meat. Okay, so you are saying the meat at the market may not be fresh. See children, we should not use the in all these words like continents. You will not use the. See, like we have continents like Asia, Andaman, like that. You will not use the. Okay. For the countries also. How the India, the USA, UK, no. You will not use the. For the state also. Cities, streets, companies, language, holidays, home, work, church, college. You will not use the Karnataka or the Punjab like that. No, for cities also. Company also. You will not say the company. Okay. Language, the English you will say no. Holiday also. Do you say I go to the holidays? No. Home, I go home. Go to my home. You will not say I go to the home. It doesn't mean a correct sentence. Okay. Okay. So you will not use for all these words. You can see here children. Complete the sentence using the. You should use the where they have given the blanks. Okay. Can you give dash book on the table? Can you give the book? You're specifying the book. So you're going to write the. You're specifying book there, right? Yes. So you know what you want to get. You didn't tell that. Can you give that? Or can you give those like that? No, you have specified the book. So you use the. Next one, dash movie is based on a real life incident. So you know, you are specifying the movie. Okay, some movie. So you know that, you know correctly that it is based on some real life incident. So you will write the movie. The movie. Okay. Next one, dash fox is a clever animal. A fox? No, you know which animal is that. Which animal is clever? You know. You are very specific. So, the fox. The fox is a clever animal. I bought a shirt. You have bought one shirt. You have purchased one shirt. And dash shirt is red. And you know which shirt is red. The shirt is red. You know the same shirt you are speaking with. Okay, I bought a shirt. The shirt is red. Next one. We learn in dash classroom. We learn, you know where you are learning? Classroom. So we learn in the classroom. We learn in the classroom. My mother is washing dash clothes. You know what your mother is doing, right? My mother is washing the clothes. Yes? Yes. We play in dash field. You know where you are playing. So, we play in the field. We play in the field. Next one children, circle only the articles. You can see here I have given the sentences. First one, John wanted to read a or an comic book. Okay, John wanted to read a or an. Huh? To read a comic book. Okay, to read. So you will circle a or a. The dog caught a or an stick. The dog caught a stick. Okay. Next, I quickly ate the or an cookies. I quickly ate the cookies. The cookies. He likes to read an or the short stories. He likes to read the short stories. The class went on a or an field trip. The class went on a field trip. Okay. My mom likes making an or the cake from strawberry. My mom likes making the cake. Making the cake. Lisa put a or an orange on her yogurt. Lisa put an orange. An. Okay. An orange on her yogurt. Okay. So, hope you have understood today's class, children. Thank you.